Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to edit chart in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have a simple data. So to insert charts, first simply select the full data, then go to the insert tab in charts group, click on the chart. So I select here the column chart, 2D column. Okay, I select it and insert here the charts. Now here I'm going to edit this legends entry. You can see the legend entry. Okay, simply click on the chart, go to the chart design tab in data group, click on the select data option, and here the select data source dialog box is open. Then here the legend entry is showing. So simply click on it, then click on the edit, and you can enter the name of the series. So I just enter the name 2021. You can see here the name is edited. So I select the second legend entries and click on the edit. Then I enter the your series name and click on OK. Say the third one, 2023, and click on OK. And after that, just click on OK, and here you see legends entry is edited. Okay. Same as if you want to edit this chart title, simply double click on here. Okay, and you can easily edit it your chart titles. Okay, so I just edit here. Okay, so that's it. This is a way you can edit a chart in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.